Many homes today look expensive, but they don't feel comfortable. That disconnect isn't about budget, it's about design decisions. I'm an interior designer, and I see the same patterns again and again. Here are 4 reasons beautiful rooms feel wrong to live in, plus how to fix them. Point 1. Wrong sofa depth. Deep sofas look luxurious in photos, big, generous, draped with cushions. But depth is only comfortable if it supports how you actually sit. Picture 2 living rooms, one with a 95-centimeter deep sofa where your feet touch the floor, back supported, arm within reach. The other with a 115-centimeter deep sofa where you're either slouching or stacking pillows to stay upright. They both look premium. Only one feels good after 20 minutes. Most people relax upright or slightly reclined, not fully lounged. If the seat is too deep for your height, your back floats and your neck works harder. So, match seat depth to body and use. A practical range for many is around 55 to 60 centimeters of usable seat depth, with firm lumbar support. Go deeper only if you truly lounge. In a family room, choose supportive cushions and arm heights that let you lean without twisting. Design should support how people sit, not how it photographs. Point 2. Over-designed spaces. When everything is a feature, nothing can breathe. I often walk into rooms where 5 textures, 3 statement lights, patterned stone, fluted wood, and brass details all compete. 5 textures, 3 statement lights, patterned stone, fluted wood, brass details. It's impressive on a mood board. It's exhausting in real life. Visual stress is real. Your eyes keep scanning, your brain keeps sorting. Comfort comes from clarity. Give the eye a hierarchy, one hero, a few quiet supports, and a calm background. Picture a living room, a textured stone fireplace as the focal point, a simple sofa in a natural fabric, a single sculptural lamp, and restrained art. The materials still feel rich, linen, oak, wool, but they are not shouting over each other. Linen, oak, wool, edit. If a detail doesn't add function or calm, it's noise. Point 3. Bad light temperature. You can buy the most beautiful furniture and kill it with cold lighting. A harsh blue-white lamp makes oak look grey and skin look tired. Light temperature affects mood more than most people realize. For living spaces, warm to warm neutral light, about 2700 to 3000 Kelvin, keeps materials feeling soft and inviting. Aim for good color rendering too. A higher CRI makes natural materials and artwork look true. And use layers, ambient dimmable ceiling or wall lights, task lighting at reading height, and accent lighting to highlight texture, like a wash over a lime-washed wall or a picture light over art. Avoid single central glare. If you want crisp for cooking or working, add a cooler task layer you can switch off after. Warm evenings, crisp tasks, controlled independently. Point 4. No breathing space. When every corner is filled, the room feels heavy and smaller than it is. Empty space is not wasted space, it's part of the design. Picture a modern European living room, a generous rug that defines the zone, a sofa and 2 chairs with a clear route around them and nothing jammed against every wall. You can walk through without sidestepping. Surfaces show restraint. 1 bowl, 1 book stack, not a museum of objects. Even expensive rooms can feel cramped if circulation is ignored. Leave at least 90 centimeters for main walkways. Keep coffee tables 40 to 45 centimeters from seating. And let walls breathe. Art hung with negative space looks more intentional than a wall-to-wall collage. Storage helps here. Hidden where possible, open where it invites use, not clutter. So, why do expensive homes feel uncomfortable? Because comfort is not a byproduct of price, it's the result of intentional choices. Get the sofa right for your body. Edit the features so the room has a clear voice. Warm the light so materials and people look alive. Protect breathing space so your home can exhale. True luxury is comfort, and comfort is always designed. A well-considered home supports how you live. Quietly every day, that's the difference you feel the moment you sit down.